Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. Welcome to Breaking the Stereotypes. Today we are going to learn how to create a PubMed account and what are the benefits of it. Did you ever open one article followed by another and then suddenly you have no idea where you started? You are just lost and you suddenly wish if there was a way to keep a track and save the data. Actually, there is a way. So without wasting time, let's open the home page of PubMed. Here you can see on the right top corner there's a sign login. Click on it and it will lead you to a page. If you have an account, just log in. And if you do not have an account, create an account. Now it is asking if you want to go through your Google account and if you want to create through NCBI. Select NCBI. Here you can write a username and then your first and last name, then the email and that's password. That's how you create your account. So let's take an example of my own account. As you can see, my email ID, and beside it there is my NCBI account. You have to click on it and a page will open like this. Now you can see multiple boxes with different headings. You can always arrange these boxes in any order you want, and not just that, you can minimize them by selecting that arrow up option, and not just that, you can remove the tab completely. See? Now the question is how to get it back. You can do it by clicking this option, customize the page option. When you will click on this, here you can back up and add back everything you have deleted, just like that. It's that simple. Just click on the done and you are done. So moving back, we have another option, and that is just beside the customize option, that is NCBI site preferences. You have to click this option, and here we have many options, from changing the highlighting option to applying filters. As you can see, I am selecting link display. Here you can actually select if you want the link display in a pop-up way or in a plain text, and there are multiple options too. You should explore this option. Okay, now moving back, we are on my account page again. If you want to search something, you do not have to go all the way back to the home page again. Instead, you can search here. See, right now I'm choosing knee pain as my search term. When I will be searching, the results are here. Of course, if I was talking about searching PubMed, I might give some suggestions on how to change your search to get different results or how to use wildcards. But for now, I'm trying to summarize it as shortly as possible, so we are happy with what we have right now. As you can see, this is the new version of PubMed. It has been updated so the options are more easily accessible now. Now, as you can see at the top, there are different options. So as you can see the save option, you can always save this on your computer. You have to select the option and then you have to create a file. Beside the option of save, there's another option, email. You can always email this search category to your own account or to someone else. You have to select the format here, whether you want to send summary text or the abstract. Here is send to. In send to, you can choose multiple options: clipboard, bibliography, collection, or the citation manager. To be honest, I'm really glad for this option. It has been modified and very easy to use. Now, can you see create alert? I want to talk about it, but let's go back for a moment. So on my account page, there is another box of saved searches, which actually saves search queries for NCBI databases and provide automatic email updates for saved searches. How? Let's go back to the search results of knee pain again. Can you see this creator alert option? Click on it. Here you can save by editing the name if you want to. Just below it is another option for creating email alerts, which is highly recommended as it helps in keeping up to date. In case you do not want, just click no. And if you want, then you can set the time and date for the alert to receive. Not only this, you can also select the report format type and the items you want to show. Now moving back, here you can check for the new results. Click on the number link, but I do not have that sadly. So moving back, there's another box of bibliography, which is a reference tool and up to you if you want to keep it public or private. It will help you in saving your citation. I have 2 citations and that's it. Moving back to my account, there is another box of collections where you can save search results in the form of a folder. Question is, why do we need it? Here you can save unlimited searches and also you can share the entire folder with your friends or public. Here I have 4 searches in my favorite folder. You can set the privacy to public or private. Going back, you can always manage your collection box. Here I have different collection folders. Opening it, I can show you that. As you can see, I have dry needling, knee pain and weight folders. Now moving back to my account, there's another very important folder and that is recent activity. In case your internet disconnect or your computer shut down, it keeps a record as long as you're logged in. You can always clear the data if you want to. As you can see here, there is no data left. The last box is filter, where you can actually narrow down the data using filters, changing them to just clinical trials or full free text links, so on and so forth. I do not have any active filter by the way, but I can always select. There are 3 categories, which I am going to discuss further in the slide. Those 3 categories are popular, link out on links, and properties. And at this point, I do not think one should need to learn in depth. So that's all for the basic features of PubMed account today. I hope you learned something from this video. And if I have any confusion regarding anything, comment below. We are always available to help you. Till then, fi aman Allah.